Hello YouTubers! Today we're going to talk about replacing your garbage disposal. What I have here is a Insinkerator Badger number 5. There's a couple steps you need to know to remove one of these. The first one is just unplug it from the back. If you have an adapter or if you have a hard wire, then you need to plug it with the plugs inside the electrical, or you need to call a electrician to do that. The second thing is you need to remove the water drain supplied over here out, and also for the dishwasher drain here, need to take that out. It's a rubber thing that goes into here. And then the final thing is you need to dismount from underneath the sink. You go ahead and take a screwdriver, stick it into these holes here, and then go ahead and turn clockwise, and then it'll dismount out from underneath your sink. So the new one, when you want to install it, it comes with a new adapter here. I didn't use that because mine was fine, but you just have to go from the left here up to this little groove here, and it'll lock into place. If you want to go that far, some people, they don't even go that far, just up to there. That's, I guess, good enough. And also the new one, you have to take a little screwdriver here and pop the plastic inside so the water can flow into there. Also, the water drain here is not attached into the new one. You have to attach it. So I attached the new one. It's the same size as this old one here. They probably didn't do that for boxing purposes. So let me go ahead and show you the final product. And there it is. I put a little bucket underneath because in the future, when it leaks, then it doesn't make a mess underneath your sink. Save you a lot of trouble and hassle and the frustration of cleaning up. And so as you see on the left is where the water drains out there. Every house is different, so mine was pretty easy there. And also the dishwasher drain line is up here, as I showed you before. And so there it is. I do recommend one thing. These garbage disposals are kind of heavy, so you may want to put like a sitting stool underneath where the bucket is to hold it up to help you push up the garbage disposal so you can lock it up, mount it up underneath the sink there. Makes a huge difference. So if you like this video, hit the like button. Better yet, subscribe.